Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. This is teacher Sanjida from Tesol Elementary School and Tesol, Bangladesh. And today I'm back with our another science experiment video. So let's get started. Have ever a question arisen your mind that why plastic floats and why metal or things that are made of metal sinks in the water? So let's do an experiment. Here we have taken an one-time glass filled with water, plain water, and I have taken here a block that is made of plastic and a paper clip that is made of metal. And here I'm going to put that plastic block in that water, and we can see that that plastic block floats. And here I'm going to put the metal paper clip on that water, and it sinks instantly. This is because of the difference between the density of these two materials. Plastic is lighter and has less density than water, but metal is denser than water. For this reason, it sinks, but plastic floats. So, hope you like this video, and in our next video, I'll be back with another science experiment. Till then, Allah Hafiz, bye-bye.